Open your web browser and search Dall-E. And click on this link. Once you click that link, you can see the Dall-E website. First of all, you must create an account or sign in with Google account through this button. After you can log in with your account. So after you logged in, you enter to the Dall-E photo generation web page and you can see some photos, and a search bar. You can type anything. After you typed, click on the button called Generate. This is the result. You can download those photos through the download button. See you soon in the next video. Subscribe.